Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Entropy changes can be tricky. We will find the greatest positive value quickly. Let's analyze these diagrams to see which reaction increases disorder most. First, we need to look for the phase change that creates the most randomness. Entropy increases most significantly when a substance moves from a highly ordered solid state into a gas. In option C, we clearly see a solid reactant transforming into multiple gas particles. This specific transition creates a massive jump in molecular disorder compared to the other three choices provided. This results in a larger positive entropy value. Because the gas phase is chaotic, option C is the clear winner for the greatest change. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given states to find the correct entropy change.